Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of given triangle. That means here by using these points form a triangle and these points to midpoints to form a triangle. Both one's areas find and find their ratio. So now if these given vertices to formed triangle is A of 0, -1 and B of 2, 1 and C of 0, 3. Now these sides to midpoints to form a triangle will be taking BC midpoint is D and AC midpoint is E and AB midpoint is F. Then finding the vertices of DEF. So here that are midpoints given. So midpoint formula we know that x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. Now the midpoint of D, that is nothing but BC. So midpoint of BC, that is D point, that is x1 plus x2, 2 plus 0 by 2, y1 plus y2, 1 plus 3 by 2. So 2 plus 0 is 2 by 2, 1 plus 3, 4 by 2, 2 by 2 is 1, 4 by 2 is 2. So the D point coordinates are 1, 2. Now the E coordinates finding, that is midpoint of AC, that equal to x1 plus x2, 0 plus 0 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, -1 plus 3 by 2. So 0 plus 0 is 0 only and -1 plus 3 is -2 plus 2, 2 by 2, 0 by 2 is equal to 0, 2 by 2 equal to 1. So the E vertices are 0, 1 and the midpoint of AB, that is the vertices of F, that equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, 2 plus 0 by 2. Next 1 minus 1 by 2, 2 plus 0 is 2 by 2, 1 minus 1 is 0 by 2, 2 by 2 is equal to 1, 0 by 2 is equal to 0. So the F coordinates are 1, 0. Now by using these vertices formed a triangle's area finding, that is area of triangle DEF. So area of the triangle, if three vertices are given, then its area we know that half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So here we taking the coordinates D, that is 1, 2 and E, that are 0, 1 and F 1, 0 as x1 y1 as 1, 2 coordinates and 0, 1 are x2 y2 coordinates and 1, 0 are x3 y3 coordinates. Now in that area of triangle principle, if we substitute, that is half mod x1 into y2 minus y3. So 1 into 1 minus 0 plus x2 into y3 minus y1, 0 into 0 minus 2 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, 1 into 2 minus 1. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So half mod 1 into 1 plus 0 minus 2 is minus 2. 0 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 1 is 1. That equal to half mod 1 into 1 is 1 plus 0 into minus 2 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 1 is 1, 2. So half into mod 2. Mod 2 is nothing but plus 2. So half into 2 is 1. So area of triangle DEF is equal to 1 square unit. Now finding the area of triangle ABC. Now that area of triangle ABC finding, A vertices are given 0 minus 1 and the B vertices as 2 1 and the C vertex as 0 3. That is x1 y1 coordinate as 0 minus 1 and x2 y2 coordinates as 2 1 and x3 y3 coordinates are 0 3. Then area of triangle ABC is equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3. That means 0 into 1 minus 3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1. So 2 into 3 minus half minus 1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. 0 into minus 1 minus 1. That equal to half mod minus 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. So 0 into minus 2 plus 2 into minus half minus 1, that is plus 1. So 2 into 3 plus 1 plus 0 into minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So 0 into minus 2 is 0. So half mod 0 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So 2 into 4 plus 0 into 0 is 0. So half mod 2 4s are 8. 0 plus 0 is 0. So 8 plus 0 is 8. So half mod 8. So mod 8 is nothing but plus 8. So 8 1, 2 ones, 2 4s 8. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 4 square units. Our to asked area of this area to the area of given triangle asked. So ratio of area of triangle DEF is to area of triangle ABC is equal to 1:4 square units. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are taken in the order 4, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, 3, minus 2 and 2, 3. So by using these points, if we draw the quadrilateral, then it is now A of minus 4 minus 2 and B of minus 3 minus 5 and C of 3 minus 2 and D of 2 3. Now here we know that area of the triangles principle, not the area of the quadrilateral principle. That purpose, if we divide this quadrilateral as two triangles, now we have to find each triangle's area and add it one, then we get simply the area of the triangle. So here if we join any two opposite vertex, then a diagonal drawn means it divides it into two triangles. So if we join AC points. Now the AC diagonal divides the quadrilateral into two triangles, that is ABC and ACD. Now finding the area of triangles ABC and ACD area. So if a triangle ABC taking now A vertices as -4, -2 and B vertices are -3, -5 and C vertices are 3, -2. Now finding the area of the triangle ABC. So the area of the triangle is of mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Principle 2 substituting. So here x1 y1 coordinates are -1, -4, -2 and x2 y2 coordinates are -3, -5 and x3 y3 coordinates are 3, -2. Then the area of triangle ABC is equal to of mod x1 into y2 minus y3. So -4 into -5 minus of -2 plus x2 into -3 into y3 minus y1 -2 minus of -2 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 3 into -2 minus of -5 that equal to of mod minus of -2 is equal to +2 -4 into -5 plus 2 plus -3 into minus of -2 is +2. So -2 plus 2 plus minus of -5 is +5. 3 into -2 plus 5 that equal to of mod -4 into -5 plus 2 is -3 plus -2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So -3 into 0 plus 3 into -2 plus 5 is 3 that equal to of mod -4 into -3 is equal to plus 12 -3 into 0 is equal to 0. 3 3s are 9. So of mod 12 plus 0 plus 9, 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. So of mod 21, that is nothing but 21. So 21 into 1 by 2 is equal to 21 by 2. It is the area of triangle ABC is 21 by 2 square units. Now we find the area of triangle ACD. So here the A coordinates are -4, -2 and C coordinates are 3, -2 and the D coordinates are 2, 3. Now finding the area of the triangle ACD. So that is one, finding area of triangle ACD, that equal to of mod x1 into y2 minus y3. So -4 into -2 -3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1, that equal to 3 into 3 minus of -2 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So 2 into -2 minus of -2 that equal to of mod -4 into -2 -3 is -5 plus 3 into minus of -2 is +2. 3 plus 2 plus 2 into minus of -2 is +2. So minus 2 plus 2, that equal to half mod minus 4 into minus 5 is equal to plus 20 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 3 into 5 plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2 into 0 is 0, 3 into 5 15. So half mod 20 plus 15 plus 0. So 20 plus 15 is 35. So half mod 35. So mod 35 is nothing but 35 only. 35 into 1 by 2 is 35 by 2. So area of triangle ACD is equal to 35 by 2 square units. But here we want to find the area of quadrilateral. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Now here ABC triangle's area is 21 by 2 and area of triangle ACD is 35 by 2. Now here if we observe both the fractions are like fractions, so directly we add the numerators, that is 21 plus 35, that is nothing but 56. 56 by 2 is equal to 28. So therefore area of the quadrilateral is 28 square units. If A of minus 5 comma 7, B of minus 4 comma minus 5, C of minus 1 comma minus 6 and D of 4 comma 5 are the vertices of a quadrilateral, then find the area of the quadrilateral. So here by using these points, if we draw a quadrilateral, the vertices are A of minus 5 comma 7, B of minus 4 comma minus 5, C of minus 1 comma minus 6, D of 4 comma 5. So here we know the area of the triangle is of mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So by using that principle only we want to solve. So here if we join any two opposite vertex, we get a diagonal. By the diagonal it will divide quadrilateral into two triangles. Now find the area of the two triangles and that to add, then we get the area of this total quadrilateral. Now if we join the vertex B and D, that is BD diagonal, now it will be divided as ABD one triangle, BCD one triangle. Now finding the areas of that two triangles. So first one is ABD triangle. So A of minus 5 comma 7, B of minus 4 comma minus 5 and D of 4 comma 5. Now here minus 5 comma 7 are x1 y1 coordinates and minus 4 comma minus 5 are x2 y2 coordinates and 4 5 are x3 y3 coordinates. Now the area of triangle ABD is equal to half mod x1 into minus 5 into y2 minus y3 minus 5 minus 5 plus x2 minus 4 into y2 y3 minus y1 5 minus 7 plus x3 4 into y1 minus y2 7 minus half minus 5 that equal to half mod minus 5 that is minus 10, minus 5 into minus 10 plus 7 minus 5 minus 7 that is minus 2, so minus 4 into minus 2 plus minus of minus 5 is plus 5, so 4 into 7 plus 5 that equal to half mod minus 5 into minus 10 that is plus 50, minus 4 into minus 2 that is plus 8 plus 4 into 7 plus 5 that is 12, 50 plus 8 is equal to 58, so half mod 58 plus 4 12s are 48, so 48 plus 58 that is mod of mod 106, so mod to positive or negative we taking positive value only, so half into 106 that is nothing but 53 square units. It is the area of triangle ABD. Finding the area of triangle BCD. So BCD to the B vertex as minus 4 comma minus 5 and C are minus 1 comma minus 6 and D are 4 comma 5. So here minus 4 comma minus 5 as x1 y1 coordinates, minus 1 comma minus 6 are x2 y2 coordinates, 4 5 are x3 y3 coordinates. Now area of triangle BCD is equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3, so minus 4 into minus 6 minus 5 plus x2 into y3 minus y1, so minus 1 into y3 5 minus half minus 5 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 4 into minus 5 minus half minus 6 that equal to half mod minus 6 minus 5 equal to minus 11, so minus 4 into minus 11 plus minus 1 into minus half minus 5 that is plus 5 plus minus half minus 6 that is plus 6, so 4 into minus 5 plus 6 that equal to half mod minus 4 into minus 11 that is plus 44 plus minus 1 into 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 4 into 6 minus 5 that is 1 that equal to half mod 44 minus 1 into 10 is minus 10 plus 4 ones 4, 44 plus 1 equal to 48, 48 minus 10 that equal to 38, so half mod 38, so mod 38 is plus 38 that is 38 by 2 is equal to 19, so area of triangle BCD equal to 19 square units. But here we want to find the area of quadrilateral. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. So area of triangle ABD is 53 square units and area of triangle BCD is 19 square units. So 15 3 plus 19 that equal to 72 square units. It is the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Find the area of the square formed by 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, 3 and minus 2, 1 are as vertices. So here the points will be taking as a square. Now in our previous classes we studied the area of square is nothing but that is side into side. So here by using that principle we solving the problem. So here side length is nothing but the distance between these two points. So here directly given the problem is that vertices forms square. So here no need to check these points forming square or not. So directly one side length finding. So the length of side AB finding. So length of the side is nothing but distance between the 2 points. Distance between any 2 points already we studied as under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here if we taking the points 0, minus 1, 2, 1, then x1 is 0, y1 is minus 1 and x2 is 2 and y2 is 1. That is equal to under root x2 minus x1 2 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 1 minus half minus 1 whole square. So 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 minus half minus 1 equal to plus 1. So under root 2 whole square plus 1 plus 1 whole square. 1 plus 1 equal to 2 and 2 square equal to 4. So under root 4 plus 2 square. 2 square equal to 4 under root 4 plus 4. So under root 4 plus 4 is nothing but root 8. So one side length is root 8 units. So now we have to find the area of square. So area of square is equal to side into side. So one side length is root 8. So another side length is also root 8 units. Root 8 into root 8, it is nothing but 8. So the area of this square is 8 square units. So let A of x1 y1, B of x2 y2 and C of x3 y3 are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Then AB equal to C and BC equal to A and AC equal to B. In that order if we taken, then S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. That means S is nothing but half of the perimeter of the triangle. Then area of triangle ABC is finding by using this principle, that is under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is called Heron's formula. This principle is given by the mathematician Heron. Now by using this principle we find the area of the triangles. Find the area of the triangle whose lengths of sides are 7 meters, 24 meters, 25 meters. Use Heron's formula asked. So here that length 7 meters will be taking as A and 24 meters as B and 25 meters as C. Now S is nothing but A plus B plus C by 2. That equal to 7 plus 24 plus 25 by 2. So 7 plus 24 that equal to 31. 31 plus 25 that equal to 56. 56 by 2 equal to 28. So S value is 28. Now by Heron's formula the area of the triangle is under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So area of triangle equal to under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, that equal to under root 28 into 28 minus a equal to 7. So 28 minus 7, b equal to 24. So 28 minus 24, c equal to 25. So 28 minus 25, that equal to under root 28 into 28 minus 7, that is nothing but 21. 28 minus 24 equal to 4. 28 minus 25 equal to 3. Now here 28 can be written as 7 into 4. 21 can be written as 7 into 3 into 4 into 3. Now here square root we finding. So square root means for every same 2 will be taking as pair, we taking in that square root to 1 only. So 7 into 7, that equal to 7. So 1 common pair 1 writing, that is 7 into 7 into 4 into 4 into 3 into 3. So in that 7 into 7 1 7 taking, in 4 into 4 1 4, 3 into 3 2 1 3, 3 4s are 12, 12 7s are 84. So now the area of the triangle is equal to 84 square units by using Heron's formula.